What is up, guys? My name is Ari, and in this video we're going to be having a look at KDA. We're also going to be having a look at Bitcoin. Why is Bitcoin pumping today? I don't exactly know why Bitcoin's pumping today, but what I could tell you is that the CPI index, or the CPI's data, is up 2.7%, 0.1% from previous in October, 2.6%. So crypto is not supposed to be pumping when we have these type of news, but you guys can see right here in the past week things are looking a little bit shaky. In the past 24 hours, crypto market is absolutely looking bright green. So we got Peanut leading the way with Coinbase listing on spot. We got Gala Games up 20%. Things are looking pretty good. Kadena is up 13.63%. We're going to be having a look at KDA in just a second. But before that, guys, if you were in my Patreon, you would probably understand that I actually gave out a massive trade yesterday. And this trade was actually seller or sell frame. Sorry, the trade was sell frame network. And you guys can see right here, my Patreon members are up 58% just from this trade. Now, why is sell frame exploding? Well, just a quick update. We know what happened, and we know why KDA pretty much went down, or Bitcoin went down, right? Well, Google pretty much announced Willow, which is a quantum chip that pretty much can hack anything under 5 minutes. Okay, so pretty much that's why Bitcoin went down. A lot of people were worried. They're like, oh, what's gonna happen with my private key? Is crypto done? Are we done? What's going on? So that's why we had that nice little dump right here on Bitcoin. And the reason why sell frame is exploding is because it is quantum resistance. Now, we know Bitcoin and KDA is not quantum resistance yet, but they could be. So having a look at Bitcoin first, we know that Bitcoin right here on the 4-hour time frame, first of all, after the CPI index that happened, we did have a beautiful bounce. So this was the resistance right here that we were currently in. And the big question is this just a fake out, or is this for real? Is Bitcoin for real? So first of all, we know that right now stochastic RSI are a little bit oversold or overbought, sorry. And we know historically when the stochastic RSI are overbought, that's usually a bad sign. It means that we're most likely going to see a reversal to the downside, the same way we pretty much saw it right here. So when we were overbought right here, we pretty much saw it to the downside. Now, if this thing does keep on increase and does close, we could actually see a slight bearish divergence on Bitcoin. So we're gonna have to see what happens here. We know that the max on the stochastic RSI is 100. So obviously this could potentially be a bearish divergence for Bitcoin, but we're gonna have to see overall what happens and how the week closes, how the daily closes, etc. So that's that. We have a look at Bitcoin. We had a look at the CPI index. By the way, this is my my KDA analysis that I did mention yesterday. And by the way, this is the Patreon huge alpha that I posted yesterday that my people are up 58%. But yesterday I did post something on KDA. I said right here, for those worried about KDA so far, the EMA ribbons are holding, support is holding, and consolidation would be healthy for KDA before swinging back. That was approximately at $1.32. Of course, this guy said best time to short Bitcoin, and this guy said at the point of control, which is 66 cents. What happened? Of course, these people probably shorted Bitcoin at the bottom. I mean, KDA at the bottom. They shorted KDA at the bottom, and guess what happened? KDA freaking reversed, and they most likely got liquidated. So, I mean, you're not shorting, you're leaving a position up 16%. Even if you're on 3x leverage, you're not doing that. And KDA is looking pretty good right now, but there is a bad news, which I'm going to get into in just a second. But this is KDA, obviously the point of control right here. This is the POC level, tells you where KDA has mostly been traded since November 27th, I believe. Yeah, since November 27th, KDA has mostly been traded, or most of the volume, I guess I should say, most of the Kadenas were traded around this area right here, sitting at $1.15. Now, we know historically when we do have these type of moves, we usually come back and retest the point of control, which is right here on the volume profile. So that's that on KDA. Now, the other thing that I do want to talk about on the 12-hour time frame is, can we potentially see a sort of an inverse or regular head and shoulder? So yes, we did bounce off the resistance. I'm not gonna lie, this was the resistance. We did bounce off it. But the big question is, or the support, sorry, but the big question is, are we going to see another right shoulder forming? So we know that this is the right shoulder right here. This is the left shoulder. Sorry, this is the left shoulder right here. This is the head. And can this potentially be the right shoulder? Now, if this doesn't being the right shoulder, then I'm not saying that we're going to see, you know, KDA go back all the way down to 88 cents. But let me just have a look right here. Can we actually go back to the point of control? Now, obviously, technical analysis a lot of times do work, okay? Bitcoin could be faking out right now. Bitcoin, in my opinion, could go back to $92,000, if not $88,000. So we have to calm down the hype, and we have to be a little bit realistic. Now, me personally, spot, long term, I'm not touching KDA. Okay, I'm not. Now, if you want to short and do whatever you want, that's up to you. But what's very interesting right here is that if we have a look at the point of control since November 14, 2024, you guys can see that the POC level is sitting at 71 cents. So obviously it is very, very interesting. And, not only do we have this, regular head and shoulder, but of course, if this is the breakout, assuming that the breakout would be approximately in the next few days or Saturday coming the time, we could actually see KDA back at 71 cents. But guys, like I said, it is a bull market, so things are a little bit different in a bull market. The bear targets usually don't happen, but what could happen is that we could see a nice little shakeout and then come to the top, because people pretty much are going to be like, oh, look, head and shoulder, boom, short. But I don't think it's going to go all the way to 71 cents. But I think we could slip one more time below $1 before swinging to the upside. That's only my theory, okay? Take it with a grain of salt. This is not financial advice whatsoever. If we do essentially break and come and make all-time highs, or at least retest $1.93, the all-time high of this year, then we could potentially have this canceled out. So I don't think this is going to be canceled out on KDA. So that's what's happening right here. Now, just a quick teaser, or not a quick teaser, just a quick update on Sell Quick. Like I said, guys, this thing is quantum resistance, and this is just for you guys who were on my Patreon. I did call this trade right here, and if you would have taken this, you would have been up, quite the amount. And of course, this is my Discord. So if you guys are interested in joining the Discord, and you are interested in pretty much joining the Patreon Gold right here, or the Patreon Diamond, where I do give technical analysis and I do give, pretty much trades. You guys see right here, I just bought sell frame on MEXC at 7:26 p.m. depending on where you are around the world. I think it's the only crypto that can improve right now. The rest is a gamble. Of course, it is quantum resistance. So pretty much that's it. If you do join the Patreon, you get access to the VIP chat right here as well. Patreon Gold, Patreon Diamond, KDA Daily, and Bitcoin Daily. You also get some weekly lessons, which I'm going to start giving out in just a second. But if you don't want, you could, of course, join the Discord for free and get access to general chat, trading chat, new video, etc. And pretty much that's about it. So that is my quick video on KDA. If you guys do like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you.